Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of pinning a broadcast to chats in WhatsApp. Pinning a broadcast allows you to prioritize and easily access important broadcasts. So without further ado, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Locate the WhatsApp app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Go to the Sent tab. This tab displays a list of all your sent broadcasts. Scroll through the list and find the specific broadcast that you want to pin to your chats. Step 3. Once you've located the desired broadcast, tap and hold on it. After a moment, a set of options will appear at the top of the screen. Step 4. Among the options, you will see a pin icon. Tap on the pin icon to pin the broadcast to your chat section. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to pin a broadcast to chats in WhatsApp. By pinning important broadcasts, you can conveniently access them without the need to search through your chat history. Pinning broadcasts is a great way to keep essential messages at the forefront of your WhatsApp experience. It's particularly useful for important announcements, updates, or frequently referenced information. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.